Hello and welcome back to my kitchen. Today we're making something truly special, a soothing, healing Comfrey ointment that's perfect for bumps, bruises, sore muscles, and even those little gardening scrapes. Comfrey's sometimes called knit bone because it helps support the body's natural healing process. And the best part? You can make it right here at home with just a few simple ingredients. So, grab a cup of tea, settle in, and let's make this lovely balm together. Start by collecting healthy comfrey leaves. Look for mature, vibrant ones. Give them a gentle rinse to remove any dirt. Comfrey holds a lot of water, so we need to dry the leaves completely. Spread them on a tray or hang them in a warm, airy space out of direct sunlight. They're ready when they crumble easily between your fingers, nice and crisp. That means they're perfect for infusing. Now, for the infusion, this is where the magic happens. Take a clean 1-litre glass jar and fill it about halfway with your dried comfrey. Don't pack it too tightly. You want the oil to flow freely. Pour in your carrier oil until the herbs are completely covered. You can use olive oil for something rich and nourishing, or sweet almond oil for a lighter feel. Give it a gentle stir to release any air bubbles. Pop on the lid and label it Comfrey Oil Infusion with today's date. Leave it somewhere warm and bright for about 4 weeks and give it a gentle shake every day. You'll notice the oil turning a deep greenish colour as it absorbs all the healing goodness from the comfrey. After 4 weeks, your oil is ready. Strain it through a piece of muslin or cheesecloth into a clean jar. Make sure to press out every last bit of oil. That's where all the goodness is hiding. And there you have it, your beautiful comfrey infused oil ready for the next step. We're going to turn that oil into a soft, spreadable balm that's easy to use and lasts for months. Measure out 100 millilitres of your comfrey oil and pour it into a heat-proof bowl. Place that bowl over a pot of gently simmering water, a simple double boiler. Add 1 teaspoon of beeswax. Stir slowly as it melts into the oil. This part smells lovely, earthy and warm. When the beeswax has completely melted, remove from the heat. Carefully pour your warm mixture into clean jars or tins. As it cools, it will set into a smooth, creamy balm. Label your jar and let it cool completely before sealing the lid. Use a small dab on bruises, sore muscles, or dry patches. It's especially nice after a long day in the garden or working at the kitchen counter. A little goes a long way, and it's made with love. And that's it. Your very own homemade comfrey ointment, a simple traditional remedy that connects us to the old ways of caring, right from your own kitchen. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video useful, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next one. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care and keep creating beautiful things.